So here we are from Costco. Just got some gas. Bad news is that they don't have window washers. I didn't realize that. Never tried to go to Costco on a trip before. So my windows are dirty. But we're about ready to go. It's going to be, 9-10 hours to Nevada. To the other side of Nevada. So here we go.
That's a big bucket.
Already picked up some stuff here. You can see it back there. There it is. Some nice test equipment. Now we're headed off to the real plunder. This will be fun. There's the 28 ASR. Model 19 table here. Some Model 15 parts to use. There we go. There's more. And 6. Here's the Model 19 power supply. 28 parts. The testing unit. Some TUs. The National Cash Register terminal over there. Fifth ground clocks generator. Transmitter distributor too. 600 miles back home, give or take.
Gosh, that whole thing is one machine? Good gravy. Tell that guy from Georgia that your wife says no. Jeez Louise.
Next time on Heavy Metal, we build a barn, and we move these and other machines into the barn where they may live in peace and well-oiled comfort the rest of their days. So hit subscribe and the notification bell to stay apprised. Sayonara.